In this tutorial, you will see how to hide messages in your Instagram inbox before proceeding with the tutorial. It would be a great contribution if you like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start tutorial. First of all, open your Instagram account and go to My Profile section. It is not possible to delete your messages without switching to a professional account on Instagram. For this reason, you need to switch to a professional account. To do this, click on the three lines and tap to Settings and Privacy. Type Switch to Professional Account in the search, then click on the section that appears. Switch your account to a professional account by following the steps respectively. Then come back to the Messages section. And you will now see three main sections in the Messages section instead of two. These are Primary, General and Requests. To hide the message, all you have to do is swipe left on the message you want to hide and press General. Your message is no longer in the Primary section. If you want to view the message again, all you need to do is to go to the General section and view your message. If you want to transfer the message back to Primary, swipe left and click on Primary. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you on next video.